Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you guys are having a good day. Today we got some technical procedures in store for you, if that's what we should call it. Yes, we're going to be repolishing a 17-inch mag wheel. Barishal, do you know the name of your wheels? Oh yes, of course, yes. Yeah, these are first OEM Audi TT first generation wheels. So we want to get them looking as brand new or as good as new. So let's get the video started. If you guys like this video, please like it up and subscribe to my channel, Throttle Response. Appreciate it. Let's check out the wheels. Alright guys, so you can see we already have the rear wheel off, and this is your OEM first gen Audi TT rim. As you can see, this one has got a bit of scratches. It's lived its life, you know what I'm saying? The tires are a bit smooth, but when you meet the owner you'll understand. There you go, as you can see. Nice and scratched up, eh? Nice and scratched up. So yeah guys, we're going to be polishing these rims, and we'll be taking you through the process to show you how you yourself can do it at home and get your rims looking like brand new, nice and shiny. So stay tuned and don't forget to like this video. So as you guys saw, we've got the first wheel off and we're busy sanding it down now. What paper are you using at first?
Starting at 400 grit.
Starting with 400 grit, and we work our way up to
2000.
up until 2000 grit sandpaper. Give you guys a nice angle here. Already looking nice just because it's clean. Say hello to the subscribers, Barishal.
Hello subscribers.
Yes, the owner of this 2-liter 8-valve beast over here. Stay tuned guys, you will be seeing some crazy content. This is a GTI killer over here. Anyone who disagrees can comment below. If you disagree, please like this video. And if you think that there's always a MK1 faster than you, please subscribe to this channel. Yes. It's gonna look really awesome guys once this wheel is nice and shiny. Just to give you an idea of how this wheel looks when it's nice and clean, and it's still gonna look better than that, so stay tuned. Guys, I just want to add, during this coronavirus, you must stay hydrated, okay? Don't get thirsty. Corona likes dry throats. Okay, so as you can see, I have a little ginger ale here. And yes, keeping us nice and cool. Like it up if you like ginger ale. I don't have to have that in the video, but yeah. Guys, just take a look at this sound system. I just want to give you I just want to give you a sneak peek. This is South Africa, we can't show you everything. You know, look at the interior, look at it. Leather seats. Do you understand me? This is why the GTIs respect us on the road. I'm gonna let the owner tell you a bit more about the sound system a little later on, but just to give you a sneak peek. Okay guys, further progress on the wheel. So we've come this far. Barishal masked off the rim over here, because we're gonna be giving it a darker shade of gray over there on the inside. Ooh. I got some paint stripper on my finger. And this over here is paint stripper, just to take off the plastic, what do they call this thing now? there's like a plastic layer that gets put over the rim to protect it, obviously. So this is going to take that off because you cannot polish the rim with that plastic layer on. So this is how far we've come now, and stay tuned to see how it looks. Next step, scraping that plastic layer off using a nice sharp blade. Try and get that blade in there. There we go. Yeah, there we go. It's a time-consuming job, but it's all going to be worth it in the end. Right.
Righto.
So this is just before you take the, which sandpaper?
We got the 400.
400 now, no? Okay. So we haven't even started the sanding actually. From the 400, work our way to 2000. This is how it looks so far, guys. Looking good. Oh, so shiny. Okay, so now we're down to sanding with the hands. Look at that from coming alive. Like, oh, resurrected from the dead. After 600 grit. Yep, we're getting there. Patience is a virtue. All right. As you can see, almost done. You guys will see the finished product. But looking so fly. You happy, Berisha?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. Somebody's suffering from OCD. Anyhow. Berisha's.
Amen.
Baby. Okay, that's too much beauty for the camera now. There we go. Touch-ups needed, but looks way better than before. Oh, here's Mr. OCD doing his thing. That's it. That's it. I think all car guys are OCD at some level. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a real long process. So we're gonna just skip to the end and show you the final product. Stay tuned.
My only worry is now only with the buffer now. Like properly now. Where can we get one of these things now?
Yeah, so we short this particular tool in order to get this rim buffed properly, nice and shiny. So we're gonna have to wait
Can pull in.
until after the weekend maybe. But you guys don't have to worry about that. You guys are going to see the final product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This is how you do it yourself repolishing of the rim.
How you do it.
Ha! You guys thought it was gonna end there, right? Well, I got news for you. So we happened to complete all 4 wheels. Yeah, we got them done quite a while back. I didn't get the footage for when we did all 4, but that doesn't matter because you guys saw. Basically, we did all of them the same. So yeah, so this is how the car looks now. We've got all 4 wheels in the car. We managed to polish all 4, but there's still one step left. We still have to give it a clear coat, which we will do in due time, and you guys will see. You guys will be here to see that. So stick around. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. If you guys like instructional videos like this, please like it up and comment below so that I know, and I will put more videos like this in the future. So I had a great time working with my cousin Darashel. I always learn a lot from these guys, from my cousins. They're all car guys. They've all been car guys all their life, and yeah, it's a blessing to be part of a family that has a passion for the things that I have a passion for. And this is what we do on the weekend. This is what we get up to on the weekends. We work on cars, we work on each other's cars, fix each other's cars, and we just have a good time. So yeah, you guys will be joining us basically for every time we do something like that, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys what we get up to. But if you guys want to see that, then you guys have to subscribe. So smash that subscribe button. But for now, check out how this Mark 1 2-liter 8-valve Golf looks now with the new refurbished and polished wheels. Thanks for watching. Like it up. You guys also want to see what other plans we have for this Mark 1 8-valve 2-liter Golf. Yeah, stick around. There are some big plans in terms of power and what else will be done to the engine of this car. So exciting things waiting. Just like for my Mark 1 Jetta, there are some big plans for this Mark 1 Golf, and you guys are gonna love it. So stick around. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. In my next video, I've got something kind of serious that I will be sharing with you guys. Yes, we've got a bike ride that will be happening. People are trying, what these bikers are trying to do is create awareness for the farm murders that are happening around our country and neighboring countries. But yeah, so they're going to be doing a mass ride with a whole bunch of motorbikes throughout my town to create awareness for this. Kimberley, my town is Kimberley. And yeah, so I'll be getting enough footage for you guys to come along and see how it goes, and also what we'll be doing on that day and where we'll be riding. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of cool bikes and a lot of cool cars, and they'll be making a lot of noise, but and that's what we love. So that's where I'll be. It's gonna be a great time. It's for a very serious cause, but it's gonna be a great time, and we're gonna be seeing a whole lot of cars and a whole lot of bikes, and you guys are gonna see that with me. So thank you for joining me, and see you in the next video.